Hey nail fam, welcome back to my channel, Nails by Bella. If you are new here, welcome to the fam. Okay, we recently did a video where we did a haul, and I do have some other gel polishes that I want to swatch for you guys. We recently swatched the January collection, and I know that the February collection is coming out very soon. However, I did receive these last month during the month of December, and I'm still going to go ahead and swatch them and show you them because these gel polishes are not limited to a certain month or to a certain season or period of time. Valentine's is right around the corner, and I thought this beautiful red as well as this gold and even this silver can all be used in a Valentine nail set. So this was a part of the December 2023 gel polish launch for Madam Glam. Madam Glam was also kind enough to send me another package, and it was 4 other gel polishes that I want to swatch first before we get into the December collection. And again, these are such beautiful colors. They would have been perfect for the holiday season, but I feel like they can also be used for Easter, Valentine's, even summer. They're just gorgeous, versatile colors. Now, if I am correct, I believe this is a part of the Ho 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 collection. It's like this holographic. These are all holographic. They're from the gods, guys. When I tell you they're from the gods, they are absolutely perfect. Glitters and holographics, iridescent. They all go really nice for the holiday seasons and for that, like, you know, when you just want that extra oomph. So they sent me these additional gel polishes as well. Now, if I remember correctly, I do have sticky toffee. I would have purchased sticky toffee, I think, sometime last year, and I actually do have it here. So rather than opening up a new sticky toffee, and I love this color, I'm just going to go ahead and swatch the one that I already have. So I have my swatch sticks here, and I do have my Elio UV lamp here. I'm just going to go ahead and turn this on. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and show you the colors that I have here. Now look at Sticky Toffee. That is beautiful. You could wear this all year round. You don't have to go very thick. You don't have to go opaque. It is a beautiful color that you can wear on its own. And it is absolutely like, it is from the gods. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love that so much. And I do love that it does have a little bit of translucency there. So that is Sticky Toffee, right? So that's the one that I have. Now, they sent me a mini Stardust. And again, this is a color that I have. And I used this color so much. It is the perfect gold glitter gel polish because you can ombre this down and it just makes your nail look so elegant. And I think this would have been great for a New Year's nail set as well. So I'm not going to open this mini one. I'm just going to add that to my collection. It'll be like a little backup, or it could even be like a little travel. Like when you're traveling, you could just carry one of these little mini ones with you. So this is the Stardust that I have here. I probably would have already swatched this already, but you know, we're doing this video, so we're just going to go ahead and swatch this. Look at how stunning. Look at that. Beautiful. And you know what I love about Madam Glam's glitter gel polishes, which I've said before, is that all of the glitter is evenly dispersed over the entire nail. Some gels, when they have glitter in them, when you stroke, as you stroke, it kind of pushes the glitter down to the tip of the nail. Not Madam Glam. Everything is evenly distributed all over the nail. And look at that stunning color. Absolutely beautiful. That too would have made a perfect gel polish ombre or nail design for the new year as well. So that is Stardust. And if you don't want to commit to these large, you know, these are 15 mils. Again, Madam Glam sells them in 3.5 mils, little mini ones. So you could literally start a collection with just some mini ones. Not all of the colors are in mini, but for the ones that are, definitely check them out. Okay, so now we're moving on to these two. Beautiful holographic. This one is called Sugar Cookie, and this one is called Love Sick. Now, I know for sure that I have a few of these already in my collection. They are super beautiful. This one is Bubble Bath, and this one is Sugar Sugar. Sugar Sugar has like, it's like a mix between silver and champagne together. And then this one has like that blue iridescent holographic kind of look to it as well. And this one looks very similar, except this one looks more on the silver side, and this one is giving me purple iridescence holographic type, you know? So that's what we have going on here. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch these as well. They are so, so pretty. Remember when holographic nails was the thing? Man, they took over the internet. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this in my Kris Jenner voice. Look at this. I know. Gorgeous. Stunning. Look at that. Beautiful. I wonder if you can even do cat eye on this as well. Look at that. You see the shift? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Beautiful color. It's not even really that silvery, you know, it's just from the gods. And these reflective gels, I mean, they're just shining in the background. Anyway, that's Sugar Cookie. And then lastly, Lovesick. I know I'm gonna love this. I know I'm going to love it because it's giving me purple vibes. And purple is my absolute favorite color. Look at this. Gorgeous. I've seen this color before. Yeah, I have seen something very similar to this before, and this is so beautiful. Again, everything, I feel like I can ombre everything. You just want to have plain nails, and you just want to add just a little hint of color. Just go with a neutral background, add a splash of color onto there. Look at that. Beautiful. And again, this would be a color I would reach for if I wanted to do a Valentine nail set as well. That is absolutely gorgeous. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let them cure under the UV lamp for, I believe I can get away with 30 seconds on this one. 30 seconds. I'm gonna just do 60 seconds for this set, and then we're gonna move on over to these 4 gels here from the December collection. So let me go and quickly cure this, and I'll be right back. Okay, I just pulled this out just now, and the thing dropped, and all this fuzz got on here because I didn't get to top coat it. But anyway, here's a final look at these 4 colors here from the extra package that I received from Madam Glam during the month of December. Beautiful colors. Okay. So now let us shift our focus to these 4 gel polishes here. And this is, I believe this is the box that it came in. I believe. I might have mixed some of the boxes up, so my apologies if it came in a different packaging. How gorgeous are they? So these are reflective glitter gel polishes from the absolute gods. So this first one here is called Tinsel, very much a Christmas name. This gold one is called Inner Light, and this one is called Joy, and this one is called Enchanted Blue. Now last year we did get some reflective glitter gel polishes as well. The colors were a little bit different from these ones. Nonetheless, they look absolutely stunning. So let's go ahead and start off with this blue here. And we're gonna go see what's going on here. Okay, all right. Ooh. Oh, so they're on the, yeah, they're translucent. They are very much clear, so they're not as opaque. I'm trying to remember what the ones last year was. Anyway, so that is what that is looking like. Oh, that is so beautiful. Yes. I feel like the ones last year definitely were more opaque. All right, so that's our first one there. And I like that these ones are clear as well, because it's good to have both. It's good to have ones that are nice and creamy, and it's good to have those that are much more on the clear side in case you want to do glass nails or something like that, or you want to overlay it. Here is what the red is looking like. Beautiful. It has multicolored glitters in it. Different colors are coming off. Almost reminds me a little bit of the glitter that's in holographic glitters as well. So this one is Joy. Now let's move on over to Inner Light. And then the final one is going to be Tinsel, which is easy to remember because it reminds me of the Tin Man. All right, here's Inner Light. Nice, beautiful glitter gold. All right, a few strokes there. I believe it's reflective, looks reflective. And then lastly, tinsel. Let's go ahead and give this a quick swatch onto our swatch stick here. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful color. Look at that, gorgeous. I like these because when you're doing designs, for example, remember we were swatching those black inks and the white inks, the marble inks. When you want to add a little bit of color to the nail, but you don't want to actually add, you don't want it to be opaque. So these are great when you want to add accents to a nail without having it to be so opaque that you can still see the nude to the bottom. Do you get what I'm saying? So it's nice to have it as an overlay or as an accent to a nail when you don't want to disturb the design of the nail because because the color is so thick or because the color is so opaque. Anyway, I hope that makes sense. I'm going to go ahead and give this a cure, and then we'll come back and have a final look of these gel polishes here. So just give me 1 minute to give this a cure. Okay, guys, here is a final look of these beautiful gel polishes from Madam Glam. They are glitter. They are giving reflective vibes. They are from the gods. Absolutely beautiful. I definitely think they would be a perfect accent gel polish when you are doing different kinds of nail designs. They are very, very beautiful, and they're not limited to just Christmas. I feel like you can use these anytime you want throughout the year. You know, some colors you just can't really use because they just scream Christmas, or they scream Valentine's, they scream a certain season. No, I think these can be used anytime you want, a night out on town, anything like that. Anyway, absolutely beautiful. You're going to get married, a wedding. Look at that, beautiful colors for a wedding as well. I'll definitely wear that for a wedding. Anyway, that is all of the colors for today's swatch video. Thank you guys for spending time with me and going through these amazing gel polishes. Definitely go and check out Madam Glam's website when you do have a chance. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, palm oil free, 21 toxins free, highly pigmented from the gods. You can almost get away with one stroke with these gel polishes as well. All right, that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.